Hello and welcome to Dark Age Growing. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around my little garden patch and show you how things are growing, what I've got growing in the garden this year. About 2 weeks ago, I cut up the sunchoke tuber and planted them in this pot, and this morning, after a really good rain yesterday, I can see that they are all coming up. Along this fence line, we've got a couple different varieties of peas. These ones over here, and sunchoke shoot. I thought I stopped it from coming through. Spreading nature's sunchoke, darn it. Carrot seed, right here. I did not plant carrot this year. I did, however, plant carrot in this location last year. So I've got carrot seeds. That are coming up in this area, along with my peas, which is fine. That's how I usually would do it. This sunchoke, though, is gonna have to go. Moving along. Got my strips of potatoes here that I planted with the long tentacle-like sprouts that were all over the place. And anyways, my kids and I decided to have a little bit of an experiment and run some bush beans and a dwarf sweet corn in along with the potatoes. See what happens. If any of you guys ever done anything like that before, running beans and or corn in with your potatoes, let me know in the comments below. So at any rate, these are a bush bean that I've actually been working on developing myself. I will cut in a picture of what the beans look like. I have not been able to find these beans for sale anywhere before, and so I'm hoping I can get my own variety of seed going. That I had crossed it, whether unintentionally or intentionally in the past. I've been keeping the same batch of seeds going for 5-6 generations now, so I should be able to call it a pure strain at this point. Maybe get it registered. Dark Age bean. How does that sound? Over here, I've got some kale and Nevada lettuce, interspaced with onions, nasturtiums, and marigolds for their pest deterrent qualities. Tomatoes this year, I didn't sprout any of my own tomato seeds. I just went to a local garden nursery, got some super bush tomato, an heirloom persimmon tomato, an early girl, and another super bush. I have a zucchini, the Black Beauty variety of zucchini. Over there, some catnip. Broccolis, Lieutenant broccoli. Back here, that's my little patch of garlic that I planted in the snow a few weeks back. Pretty cool. Along this fence line back here, I've got cucumber. Along here, in front of the peas, I'll be growing cucumber also. This little patch here, I direct sowed some beets. And that little patch, I have some beets also. My radishes and carrots are all doing really good. Can probably come in and thin my carrots just a little bit. Along with my radishes if I have a few too many in one spot. Black kale and red Russian that I'm letting go to seed so I can collect and save for next year. If you ever grow sunchokes, make sure you never let any of the tuber get into your compost pile. This right here, I'm sure got in when I put down my fresh compost. Yep. That little guy right there.